What are genes? Genes are like tiny bosses inside our cells, dishing out orders on how our bodies grow and groove. They code for traits like our eye color, hair color, and height. What is DNA? DNA is a molecule that carries genetic information in living organisms. It looks like a twisted ladder, double helix, and is found inside the nucleus of our cells. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. What is this genetic code business? The genetic code is like a language that DNA uses to give instructions to cells. It consists of combinations of four chemical units called nucleotides: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. Adenine pairs with thymine, A with T, guanine pair with cytosine, G with C. What does the code translate to? Each gene's code uses A, C, G, and T in various combinations to code for a specific amino acid. Is needed at each position within a protein. Amino acid are the building blocks for proteins. This means our DNA codes for different proteins that perform specific functions in our body. Where do our genes hang out? Genes are segments of DNA located on structures called chromosomes. Chromosomes are long, thread-like structures made up of DNA and proteins. They carry many genes and are found inside the nucleus of our cells. Humans typically have 46 chromosomes, which come in pairs, with 23 inherited from each parent. Why do we need genes? We need genes because they contain the instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. They also crucial role in passing traits from parents to children through reproduction. Project has determined that humans have an estimated 30,000 genes. For more interesting facts and information, don't forget to visit our YouTube channel Life Unfiltered. Please like and subscribe.